Most people get this wrong when trying to cash out on Mistplay. They spend hours earning units, finally reach the rewards section, and then get confused, pick the wrong option, or think the app is broken when the gift card doesn't arrive instantly. Here's the truth no one tells you. Redeeming a Mistplay gift card is actually simple, if you know the exact steps. But there are a few important things you need to understand first, or you could delay your reward or even run into account issues. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to redeem your Mistplay gift cards step by step, how long it takes to arrive, common problems people face, and the fastest way to cash out without mistakes. So let's get straight into it. Mistplay is a rewards app that gives you units for playing mobile games. Those units can be exchanged for rewards like Amazon gift cards, Google Play credits, Visa prepaid cards, and other options depending on your country. So before you can cash out, the first thing you need to check is whether you have enough units. Open the Mistplay app. Look at the top area of your dashboard or your profile section. You should see your unit balance there. This is your reward currency. Now here's where it gets interesting. A lot of people confuse units with GXP. And that creates confusion. Units are what you use to redeem rewards. GXP, or Game Experience Points, helps level up your progress in games. GXP cannot usually be cashed out directly, so make sure you're looking at units. For example, Alex sees a big number on his account and thinks he can cash out. But he's looking at GXP. Jake checks his actual units and realizes he needs a little more before redeeming. That small mistake causes confusion for many users. Now, once you confirm you have enough units, the next step is to open the rewards section. Inside Mistplay, look for a tab labeled Shop, Rewards, or Redeem. The exact wording may change depending on updates. Tap that section. This is where you'll see all available rewards. Common rewards include Amazon gift cards, Google Play gift cards, Visa prepaid cards, sometimes Xbox, PlayStation, or other brand gift cards. This depends on your country and what's available at the time. Now, here's the problem. Not all rewards cost the same. A $5 gift card costs fewer units. A $10 or $25 card costs more. So choose the one you want based on your balance. For example, John has enough units for a $10 Amazon gift card. Alex only has enough for $5. If Alex tries to redeem the $10 reward, it won't work. Simple, but many people miss this. Now, let's go step by step. Step 1. Open Mistplay. Step 2. Tap the Rewards or Shop tab. Step 3. Browse available gift cards. Step 4. Select the reward you want. Step 5. Choose the amount, if there are multiple options. Step 6. Tap Redeem or Confirm. That's it. Your request is now submitted. But here's where most people fail. They expect instant delivery. Some rewards are instant. Some take time. Mistplay may need to process the redemption. In many cases, rewards arrive within minutes. In other cases, it can take 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes longer during busy periods. So if your gift card doesn't appear immediately, don't panic. Check your email. Mistplay often sends the gift card code or redemption details there. Also, check spam or promotions folders. A lot of people miss the email because it lands there. Now in a minute, I'll show you what to do if your gift card doesn't arrive. Because this is a common issue. Before that, let's talk about account verification. Sometimes Mistplay may ask for extra verification before processing rewards. This is usually for security. For example, suspicious activity, multiple accounts, VPN usage, or unusual redemption patterns. If Mistplay asks for verification, follow the instructions carefully. Using fake info can cause delays or account suspension. Now let's talk about how to use the gift card once you receive it. If it's an Amazon gift card, you'll usually get a code. Go to your Amazon account. Open the gift card or balance section. Enter the code. The balance gets added to your account. If it's a Google Play gift card, open Google Play. Go to Payments and Subscriptions. Tap Redeem Code. Enter the code. The balance is added. If it's a Visa prepaid card, there may be a digital card number or instructions for use online. Each reward works slightly differently. Always read the instructions in the email. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some users ask whether they should save units for bigger rewards or cash out early. Here's the smart answer. Cash out regularly. Small rewards reduce risk. Reward options can change. Processing systems can change. And small wins keep you motivated. For example, Jake redeems every $5. He gets consistent rewards. John saves for $50 and waits longer. There's nothing wrong with either approach, but smaller redemptions feel safer. Now let's cover common misplay cash-out problems and fixes. Problem number 1. Reward not received. Solution. Wait at least 24 to 48 hours. Check email and spam folders. Problem number 2. Redeem button not working. Solution. Restart the app. Update Mistplay. Check internet connection. Problem number 3. Not enough units. Solution. Double-check reward cost. Earn more units first. Problem number 4. There's on-site. Account flagged. Solution. Avoid VPNs. Avoid multiple accounts. Contact support if needed. Problem number 5. Wrong email address. Solution. Check the email linked to your Mistplay account. This is where most people fail. They rush. Then they think the app is broken. Usually, it's just a simple issue. Now let's talk about the fastest way to earn enough units to cash out faster. Because redeeming is great, but earning faster matters too. First, play high-paying games. Mistplay often shows earning speed or multipliers. Prioritize those. Second, play during promotions. Bonus unit events can speed things up. Third, maintain streaks. Daily activity can unlock bonuses. Fourth, stop playing low-paying games once rewards slow. Switch to better options. For example, Alex focuses only on high-paying games and earns his first gift card in days. Jake plays random low-paying games and takes much longer. Strategy matters. Now here's the easiest way to cash out with no issues. Use real account info. Keep the app updated. Redeem smaller amounts first. Check your email. Follow the reward instructions. Avoid suspicious activity. Simple. And your redemption process should be smooth. Now let's answer a common question. Can you convert Mistplay rewards directly into cash? Usually, Mistplay rewards are mainly gift cards. Sometimes Visa prepaid cards can be used almost like cash online. But direct PayPal cashout is not always available depending on region. So most people use gift cards for shopping, apps, or online purchases. Now here's where it gets interesting. Is redeeming a larger reward better value? Sometimes larger gift cards offer slightly better value per unit. Sometimes they don't. Check the conversion before redeeming. For example, if a $5 card costs 1,500 units and a $10 card costs 3,000 units, the value is equal. But if a larger reward costs proportionally less, it may be better. Always compare. This small trick can help maximize rewards. Now let's talk about support. If your gift card never arrives after waiting and checking email, contact Mistplay support. Inside the app, go to Settings or Help. Submit a ticket. Include details like your redemption date, reward type, units deducted, and account email. The more details you provide, the faster they can help. Now let's recap the exact process. Open Mistplay. Check your units. Go to Rewards or Shop. Choose your gift card. Select the amount. Tap Redeem. Wait for processing. Check your email. Use the code. That's it. Simple. Now you know exactly how to redeem a Mistplay gift card and cash out the right way. No confusion. No wasted time. No common mistakes. And the best part, Once you do it once, the process becomes easy every time. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is panicking if the reward doesn't arrive instantly. Most delays are normal. Check email. Wait a bit. Then contact support if needed. Misplay cashouts are real. People redeem rewards every day. You just need to follow the process correctly. If this video helped you redeem your Misplay gift card, hit the like button. Comment below and tell me what reward you chose, or if you had any issues cashing out. And if you want more Misplay tutorials, money-making app guides, and step-by-step online earning videos, subscribe now, so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.